He's back. And I guess better. A little shaken. Looks like he's shaking a little bit. Must be because of the cold. But, yeah, I think that's the one that was on the ground that my cat somehow got a hold of. And luckily didn't know what to do with him, so they just held him. And then I was able to get him and take him outside, and he flew around a little bit, and then now he's back on the feeder, so hopefully he's okay. I'll keep the sugar water going. It's kind of cold today. It's snowing and windy. Yeah, poor little guy. Thought he was doomed. Not sure how the cat got him. He's not exactly an athlete who can jump up on a feeder and grab a hummingbird.